Hey folks, here's Adam, and today we're looking at Spa Choice's Re-Energize. This is a non-chlorine, non-bromine way to either enhance the chlorine and bromine and get rid of some of the after effects, or just clean out your spa without all those harsh chemicals. So it comes to us from Spa Choice. You will use 2 ounces for every 300 gallons of tub. I've gone ahead and put approximately 4 ounces. That's how much I have left because I've used this up. I need to reorder on Amazon, and so should you. This is a 2-pound package. And you're just gonna pour it in. You're gonna let that cycle through. Now that's gonna get rid of all your bioorganic materials, and it's gonna make your spa fresh again. So easy to use. And yeah, just run the jets, let that cycle through. Don't go in it. I would wait at least 12 hours before you get in the tub. And it is 45% potassium monopersulfate. Other ingredients 55%. Active oxygen is 4.7%. So absolutely an amazing product. You're going to want to order this bad boy today. Look at that. That's a great thumbnail right there. Not just my actual thumbnail. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.